I think I caught cold, so I might be bleh anytime. Continuity problems. If you don't have enough assistance in the set or on location or on whatever, you might have a lot smell very good. You may have some problems like from continuity, like movement continuity of an actor, or lighting continuity, or like this we will discuss in this episode is closest continuity. I know that you don't understand a word from me, so let's see how can we do it while I film it. Oh, I'm the actor. I'm the star of this movie. Oh, I came from outside. I'm so tired. I'm gonna sit on this chair. It's really tired. I'm so tired. Oh, I'm the star. I'm gonna go. One time, you will shoot today this shot. I will vomit on this vase or vase, I don't know. And then I will shoot tomorrow another scene. I prog this vase on my head, but we have to continue. This scene is number 1 in the script, and this scene is number 2 in the script, or whatever. But I will, for some reason, I will shoot this scene 2 tomorrow and scene today. But on the screen, they will show up after each other, so there must be continuity in clauses. I forgot, and I shoot with different clauses. How can I fix it? Let's see how can we do it while
You are a filmmaker or an editor, right? Listen, I have a story for you. It all started with a great 15 years experienced editor who got fired from one of the biggest post-production firms in Hollywood due to his boss' jealousy. His job was to fix all production process disasters. In post, low light, out of focus, bad actors, continuity mistakes, noisy shots, shitty sounds, and more and more. Welcome to the 0.5 clown. Welcome to Fixing Post.
Hello, I am 0.5 clown. I'm a great actor, by the way. Don't say anything, I will not allow. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also like and comment in the comment section below. Tell me what are you thinking. Also tell me what kind of problem you are always facing in production process, on location or on set, and I will try to make an episode to fix it in post. As you saw, continuity problem for clauses. I was in the first shot, it's the same scene, and in the first shot I was wearing this shirt, and then suddenly, for any reason, I wore a black one. How can I fix this in post instead of reshooting? Let's see. In the next episode of 0.5 Clown, if you are shooting these scenes, and as usual there is no time on set, and you didn't take so much shots, or like you need like close shot, full shot, American and Western, and wide shot. You took only one wide shot. and some full shot, and you need some another clothes. Where is the clothes? It's a dance scene, for God's sakes.
Don't miss it. Subscribe now. Hello again. How are you? This is my Adobe Premiere interface. I have here those 3 scenes. Let's see them. It's for a movie I shot before. Those 3 scenes are: the first one is a guy is wearing a white shirt and is getting a gun, and then he sat down on the floor thinking, and then I jumped to a hospital. But I made the mistake that as you see, let's see them again. Here is the hospital one, and here is my first scene. As you see, he's wearing white shirt, and I made a continuity mistake. He's went out and he's suddenly boom wearing this black or a bluish, dark bluish one. So how can we fix it? Alright, we will use the RGB curves as usual. First, go to Effect, search for RGB, and drag and drop RGB curves. This time we will use the master curve here between white and black, but I will use a mask. This pen tool is making a mask on something in my footage that I want only to change. It will change only what into this mask. So I will get the pen tool and start to draw a mask up around this shirt, and I have to be very careful while I'm drawing it. I will get the mask and start drawing a mask around the only shirt. I have to be very accurate while I'm drawing this mask. Let's start. I will start from this point and go there. There. As I said, I have to be very accurate. It's like I'm making a fucking bomb or something. An FBI guy who is fixing a bomb, and it can explode anytime. I will zoom in a little more. I will make it 150. Yeah, exactly. Sorry. I'm continue drawing the points. I don't want to make it far from each other. Here is the sleeve.
I hate my clothes.
Alright. It's a boring job, I know, but I made a mistake. I made a poo-poo while shooting. Okay, it's wrong one. I will undo this, Control and Z. Okay, and then continue to draw the points. I made a poo-poo in mistake. Like my first scene, the guy was holding a gun, and then he went out, and boom! Suddenly he's wearing a dark shirt. That was because I shot it in 2 different days. Okay, let me continue to draw. Go to right. Okay, then it's on his back now. That's good. Up. Okay, and let's move it up for a little, and this one. Alright, let's close the mask after this one. Okay. Alright, the mask is done. Sorry. I will make it 75% and see.
Alright, I will decrease the feather. This is just dotted line. Look, when I make it 0, okay, I will make it 2. I don't need a feather to don't make anything with hands or something. This is mask opacity. I don't see any much difference between 0 and 100, but I will show it to you if you can see anything or something. It's 100 now. Okay. Okay, I think I will leave it like 100. I will not change. Alright, now I will go to my curves. I will increase the white color because the previous scene was a white shirt. Okay, I will drag it. As you see, it's more bright and it's closer to white. Okay, I will drag it. Oh, it's like it's coming out from a sink or something. It's so pretty, but it's white. It's finally white. It's dark and then it's white. Okay, much better, much better. I will increase the bluish color a little bit. I will now try to decrease this brightness, this white brightness. Don't forget that we also zoom a little bit. Alright, I can, if you see here, if I increase the black here, it will, in the same color, it will make its original color. It will go to its original color. So I'd like to use another RGB curve. I get RGB curve and I get this mask here. I will copy and paste the same mask. Here it is in the other RGB, and I will increase here the dark one. It's much better than the previous one because this is now working on the for him the white bright is the original footage, but the previous one, the dark is his main footage. Alright, I think this is much better. I will decrease. Okay, I think no. I will go up. I will not leave it like this. Okay, I think this is better. Okay, I will leave it like this. Then I will go to an effect called Gaussian blur. Gaussian blur is like adding some blurriness in the footage. I pasted the mask here to the shirt. I now try to decrease this brightness, so I will give it like, let's see, I will increase it to 1960. Oh my god, it's so out of focus now. I will make it 40, still high, 0, it's blur. I will go with 10, 10, yeah. It will take the eyes of this blurriness, this brightness of the shirt. Alright, third thing is go to Lumetri colors. I will paste my cute mask. Lumetri here, the mask. This is our mask that we did it before. I will get to basic correction and go to contrasts. I will play with contrast. Let's go with 5. Not much difference. Exposure, I will make it -1 and 1. Let's go with white. I think I will make it 0. Leave it with 0. Yeah. And contrast at C10. I think it's better. It's much better. Okay, highlights. I'll not change anything. We don't have any highlights here. Alright, whites. I will decrease the whites. Of course, nothing will happen. But I will make it like 60. It decreases the brightness much more. That's much better. Much better footage. Much better. Okay, I don't know why this got short. Sorry. The main footage here for scene 2. I will increase it. Let's go scene 3.
Oh, I think I will vote again.
Sorry, it's need to render, so it's a little bit slow. Now this is scene 1, this is scene 2, and scene 3 I get it's the original one. Okay. Now scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. It's continuous now. I will tell you a piece of advice before I go. Sorry. This render, I don't want to waste your time in render. Alright. This previous and before. Sorry, this previous and before. See? It's white. The previous footage was behind the bluish magenta color. Thank you. I hope it's much better now. Thank you, and see you in the next episode. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and comment and tell me all your editing problems or production problems, and I will fix it totally for you. Thank you, and see you in the next episode.